Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a Valentine special dessert that looks luxurious, tastes indulgent, but is actually healthy. These are my Dubai inspired chocolate strawberry cups, elegant, refined and so easy to make. Let's start with the strawberry prep. Take a half cup of fresh strawberries and slice them into a heart shape for the Valentine touch. Add a half a lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of a maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of a rose water. Mix gently and let the strawberries sit for about 15 minutes. This brings out their natural sweetness and gives them a beautiful floral note. Now let's do the pistachio yogurt cream. In a bowl, add a half cup of pistachio unsalted butter. Add a half cup of vanilla bean Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of a maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of a vanilla bean paste, and add a pinch of sea salt flakes. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth, creamy, and scoopable. This layer is rich, balanced, and gives that signature Dubai-style pistachio flavor. So healthy. Now next step is our chocolate layer. For the chocolate layer, take 70 grams of dark chocolate and 1 tablespoon of a coconut oil. Melt into gently until smooth and glossy. The coconut oil helps create that perfect crack on top. Now it's time to assemble our cups. Start by adding a generous layer of the pistachio yogurt cream into your glass container. Tap if you want the smooth surface. Now next add the marinated strawberries on top. Make sure you layer the strawberries. Now place the cups in the freezer for about 5 minutes to set slightly. Then pour the melted chocolate over the strawberries, creating a smooth top layer. Freeze again for another 5 minutes. Now it's time to garnish and finish our cups. Finish with crushed pistachios and edible rose petals for a beautiful romantic Valentine's look. These cups are creamy, chocolatey, healthy and perfectly balanced, not too sweet, not too heavy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and try this recipe on Valentine's Day and let me know in the comments. Happy Valentine's Day in advance, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.